Dear students, in JEE 2024 Phase 1, this numerical value type question was from the chapter Current Electricity. The question is, two cells are connected in opposition as shown. Cell E1 is of 8 volt EMF and 2 ohm internal resistance. The cell E2 is 2 volt EMF and 4 ohm internal resistance. The terminal potential difference of cell E2 is how much volt? The circuit is given to you. Now, see, here two cells are connected in opposition. You can see in the figure, negative, negative and positive, positive of both the cells are connected to each other. So it is in opposition. Now, cell E1 is of 8 volt EMF and 2 ohm internal resistance. And cell E2 that is with 2 volt EMF and 4 ohm internal resistance. Now, we want to find the terminal voltage of this cell E2. So, to find out the terminal voltage, first of all, we have to find the current flowing in the circuit. Okay. So, here, as per Kirchhoff's second rule, we can write current in the circuit I, that is E1 minus E2. See, these two are in opposition mode and E1 is greater than E2. Therefore, we can write here the resultant potential difference here between A and C, that is E1 minus E2. And the total circuit resistance, that is the summation of the internal resistances of the cells R1 plus R2. Now here if we substitute the values 8 volt, 2 volt upon 2 ohm plus 4 ohm, will get 1 ampere current. Now see here, this current that will be from the positive terminal of the battery, which one is with more EMF. Here E1 that is with 8 volt. So current will flow from the positive terminal of E1 to C through the E2 to B and to negative terminal of E1. So if the current is flowing in this anti-clockwise direction, then we can see through the cell E2, current is flowing from positive to negative. So through the cell, when the current is flowing from positive to negative terminal, it implies that now that particular cell is in charging condition. So here the charging process of E2 will take place. So in that particular case, we have to write the equation of terminal voltage, that is equal to E plus IR. Normally we write the equation for the terminal voltage, that is V equal to E minus IR. But here there is the charging process of this cell E2. So we have to write its terminal voltage V2 equal to E2 plus IR2. Now E2 that is 2, I that is 1, R2 that is 4. So answer will be 6 volt. So our answer is 6. Clear बच्चों?